What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Dude, now, honestly, before I get in this video, I got a few questions. What do you guys think about the sneaker community, man? Like, what do you want to see as far as content? Is it repetitive? I mean, I've been doing something like this since 2013. So what, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, bro? Almost going into 2020, 7 years on YouTube. It's insane. I was just talking to my homie Walter the other day. I asked him, I'm like, because he started out as a subscriber, right? I asked him, I said, bro, do you even watch sneaker YouTube anymore? And he told me, honestly, no. And that's not in like a hurt anybody's feelings type of way. Like, that's just literally honest. Like, I want to know what made you stop. And like, even me personally, like, I don't watch any sneaker videos. Sneakers are fun and all, but I just wonder, like, what are you guys into as a viewer? Like, what brings you back to each and every video? What makes you want to click on a video? Like, why do you do it? Now, obviously, I'm not really concerned about like views and subscribers and falling off and all this stuff. I'm just here. I like making content. I literally enjoy it and it's fun to me. And lucky enough, I've been able to make it into a job. So this is like what my daily task is, to create content. So I just want to know, like, do you guys like vlog content? What do you want on this channel? You know, I try to bring the gym, I try to bring inspiration, I try to bring finances, obviously sneakers, clothing. Those are things that I truly enjoy. So I want to know what you guys would like to see as far as maybe you want more vlog content. You know, the time that I actually kind of changed it up and I didn't just sit in this chair with the cool little background and all that stuff, right? I just kind of did a vlog, took the camera around, showed you guys what's good. So I want to know, like, I just want to take a second to ask you guys what you think. And, you know, obviously this video, I don't know what I'm going to title it yet. I think something around sneakers, because your boy done hit. Now, I did an unboxing of the shoes earlier with my above camera here, but I just wasn't feeling it, so I stopped. And that was like last night. So I'm back. Here we are. I got the Travis Air Force One. A lot of you guys were asking me how I felt about this. Honestly, like, getting it in person, it is actually really fire. It's pretty dope, and I'm glad that I got these for retail. I'm 3 for 3, bro. I got the high top Jordan 1, I got the low top Jordan 1, and now I have the Travis Air Force Ones. I also have other pairs just from StockX. I sold my 4s, which I don't know what I was thinking. Should have kept those, but still have these. And Team Retail, bro. Like, I'm very geeked about that. Here's the box. I love that they changed it up as far as the box goes. The yellow got the blue Nike logo, signature Travis logo on the side, and then boom. So this is what the box looks like. It's pretty sweet. Paper says, I don't even know who TC Records is, bro. I'm not even gonna hold you. You know what we gonna do? We gonna look that up right now, because I ain't no damn encyclopedia, bro. I don't know everything about everything. Like, that's what the internet's for, research, right? So, Records. Let's see what's up with this. Because I don't know. Maybe you know, but I don't. So, nope. What the heck is this? So, riding off his success of his latest release, today rapper Travis Scott releases a brand new set of merch themed after his Cactus Jack record label. So is that what this is? Cactus? Is that what that stands for? I'm sorry, guys, if I sound stupid, but I'm just being real. I don't know what that is. Cactus? Is that how it's, is that Cactus? Cactus? Records Astroworld, so that's just his record company. Cool. I didn't know that. New fact. Fun fact for me. I never knew that until now. And you can see that it's right here. What I like about this shoe is just how it's constructed of so many different pieces. I think they kind of played off of that, not necessarily Off-White concept, but I think that's what Off-White has, or why it has so much success, is just because that deconstructed, just kind of different sneaker. I don't know. I can't think of my words right now. You kind of get what I'm saying. Maybe, hopefully, maybe not. But I just like how there's just so many different pieces to this shoe, and it's put together really well. Even on this side, you know, you got the camo Nike swoosh, and just that material, corduroy. Just a lot going on here. And then you have the signature button with the Texas on it. Dope, man. I really like it. I think they look way better on feet without the flap. I don't know, man. This might just be one of those shoes that I don't think I'm going to wear. I think I'm just going to hold on to these and see how the value increases on them. One thing, I can't see these going like too crazy as far as resale goes. That being just because it's not kind of a solid color shoe. I feel like if you look at previous resale, most shoes that are just one solid color, they're usually worth more just because they're just not crazy. These are kind of like the what the, right? In that aspect. I mean, I see maybe these maxing out at like 500 resale, but I think if you hold them for quite a while, it is hard with a size 12. But you know, a lot of sneakers I do look at as investments of stocks. You know, like I don't wear everything. If people hate me for that, I could care less. They're not paying my bills or nothing. So I just want to let you guys know, sometimes you just buy a shoe and you hold on to it. You ain't got to sell it right away. This is going to be something that I might even just sell like a set because my lows are still dead stock. And look at this, bro. This is straight from Nike, and there's like some dirt on these. What? Look at that. That's crazy. Really a big deal, whatever. Yeah, man, I'm super glad to have gotten these for retail. Definitely something that's gonna go sit in my sneaker case, which I wanna show you guys how I organized this. Damn, this, I don't even know if I can show you because this setup is pretty crazy. Maybe I'll show you guys my office tour later. It's almost done. It should be completed this week. Got a few more things that's coming in. But yeah, guys, first and foremost, I wanted to thank you for continuously rocking with me through this channel, and you know, through the ups and the downs, to the 100,000 views, to the 1,000 views, the 5,000. I'm cool with 10,000. Like, if I get 10,000 views, I'm happy. Like, that's all I'm looking forward to. You know, there's a lot of weird things going on with YouTube right now as far as like these new rules and regulations, which I'm not even concerned about because YouTube really isn't my bread and butter. But as far as creating content, I truly enjoy it, and I've been super happy being able to do it for 7 years. A lot of people can't say that. The life I'm living, like, I'm super grateful for, and I work extremely hard for. But I really just want to cater more towards you guys and know what's your interest, where you guys moving. A lot of you guys are 18 and above, and I understand, bro, life, you got a job, you got school, you got to work. You can't sit and watch YouTube videos all day. Otherwise, you ain't going to get anywhere. You can't sit and watch YouTube videos because then you can't be living life. So all I'm asking is you let me know what it is that you would like to see or something that you would love to tune in at least once a week and check out, so I know on my end. And man, I got the worst haircut. Video coming. I want you guys to go check out the vlog channel. But yeah, that is it. Let me know what you guys think about the cactuses. Was it a shoe that you went for? Did you want it? I'm definitely happy to have them. They look sweet. Like, I seen them on feet. Dope. Like, this is a really dope shoe. Great collab. I'm glad that they're giving Travis like that creative freedom. They learned their lesson because I know someone is still kicking themselves about letting Kanye go. But that's it, man. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's your boy SneakerLife. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it.